Hi everyone! Check out this 2024 LC300 GR upgraded by PRS. The mode we have done on this unit, we replaced the fog lamp to super yellow, and this is brighter 400% than the stock. And also we upgrade the horn to PIAA superior bass horn and sports horn. Okay, for the interior, safety first. On this unit, we install only the best dashcam in the market. Vantru Nexus 5. This is a 4-channel dashcam. What's 4-channel? Consists of front recording outside and rear recording outside, and also front interior, and there's a back camera for the rear interior. And the client grabbed the full package with OBD hard kit. The OBD hard kit is even your cars is totally off, you can set the mode on your Nexus dashcam, Vantru dashcam, on parking mode or collision mode. It means on collision mode, if your car has been hit, you can automatically turn on and record the happening. And also, the client installed circular polarizer lens on the front lens. The purpose of this one is, when you going to watch the videos without the circular polarizer, it will reflect the dashboard. While you have this circular polarizer, it will remove that reflection. And also, we installed the remote controller. If there is problem, if you want to take a picture, there's an accident in the front, like this one, we install it near here, where it's very comfortable in your position. You just click and automatic, it will take picture right away. And also, we install TAMS wide view mirror by TAMS, made in Japan. And also, the tint we're using on this unit is the BF Supreme series, Supreme Plus, 99% heat rejection. Medium on the front, and all the side and the back are super dark. And also, of course, to keep the carpet always clean, we install Hypotec matting with the cargo tray. Okay. We also ceramic coated the body using IGL coating on this unit. See the reflection. Prevent from birds drop and unwanted harmful UV rays protection on your paint. And easy to maintain because the water will just bead out, slide out. We coated the body and also all the interior like the door, side, everything. We coated. This include in the package also we coated. And of course, we also upgrade the rims and tires on this unit. We use the 20-inch TE 37 in bronze color with black chrome center cap wrapped in Nito Ridge grappler tires for that aggressive look. Very sporty. See the flush mount on the vehicle. Next, we're going to install AFE, cold air, momentum cold air intake on this unit, and also going to install exhaust system. The client is just thinking what brand we're going to choose to install here. Hope you like our basic build here. Feel free to message me here and please subscribe and like my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. Bye!